Yes, digital product family. Hope you guys are well. Guys, who told you Tumbler wraps are saturated? Who told you that? Who told you Tumbler wraps are... They're not saturated, guys. It's about sub-niching and finding those gems and knowing what ingredients to put together and getting those combinations, guys. That's exactly how to do it. I'm going to show you 3 Tumbler wraps, the top 3 Tumbler wraps, right? Right now, the top 3 Tumbler wraps right now, right? I'm going to show you them and show you why they're the top 3 as well, right? And also on top of that, they are the most recent listing. They're only a maximum of 3-month-old listings, right? So they must work, right? I'm going to show you right now. So stay right to the end, guys, and I'm going to explain everything. But as usual, if you love digital products, you love creating, researching, listing, and all of that mad stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Don't forget, if you're looking for real gems, stay tuned always, guys. Check it out, man. I typed in Tumbler wrap PNG on Etsy. Now, look at this. Check out my analysis, guys, because this is what it's about. It's about seeing what works, learning about what works, right? It's pure science, guys. We do fact-based stuff. So I'm on EVERBEE, my go-to research tool, the one that finds me all the gems. Guys, check out free access on EVERBEE right now. You can check it, try it out, right? Try it out for free. You'll love it, I'm telling you. Product analytics, look at this. Look at this. I want to get you the top 3, right? Tumbler wrap PNG. Look, 514,000 of them. Gee, that's crazy. But no, let's filter, because that's what we're going to do. We ain't going for so old listings. No, 3-month max. Let's go for max. And I'll show you the ones that are smashing it out there. Right. Okay. So, wow. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. My gosh. Guys. Oh my gosh. Right. Let's just open them up, right? And then I'm going to explain everything. I'm going to explain everything, man. Right? So you lot know what's going on and why. What's going on and why. I'm going to open the top 3 Tumbler wrap making cash right now and tell you why. And do you know what it is? I'm not giving you bundles. I'm not even going to show. You're going to say to me, yeah, but AJ, you're going to show me some bundles. No, I'm not showing you no bundles. I'm showing you single wraps. Single wraps, right? Okay, single wraps. Let me go to the single wraps. Come on. Okay, guys, let me show you. These are the 3, right? Check it out, man. You got this one, which is that gingerbread man style. It's beautiful, man. Look at this, right? The designs, it's got the same image on a lot of the listings. Raw, look at that. Let me see the video. Yeah, boy. Look at that with the donuts. And the hot chocolate. That fiery background. Love that. But check it out. How much is it making? It's a bestseller bomb. Sent 20 bought in the last 24 hours. It's popular. It's in demand. It is on a sale right now. Take it into account. But it's making $4,854. It's only a 2-month-old listing. It's made 1,210 sales in the last month. Guys, it's 2-month-old. It's making an average conversion of 12.25. And the flavors are this. Gingerbread. The reason why it's doing well is because it's hitting on a particular keyword, which is a gingerbread tumbler, right? And it's hitting on a good keyword score. And this keyword score is not as saturated as many others. And this is what I'm trying to say. If you hit on something, doesn't matter whether it's a Tumbler wrap, doesn't matter what it is, you can make that cash. And look at it. It's look, they're giving you a straight and skinny, straight and tapered, instant download. 4,000, right? Estimated monthly revenue, 4,000, guys. Come on, 854. It's on a sale right now, so you got to take that into account, definitely. But imagine if it wasn't, man. Oof. So this is a smart seller, gingerbread. So you got to think about in Christmas what it is. Don't be sticking to the same thing like Santa, snowman tumblers, because those things are getting saturated, right? But you got to go into a little bit more detail, sub niche into what else in Christmas could I do? You know, mistletoe. Think about things that are not as common, right? That's where the skill lies. So Tumbler wraps maybe is a massive thing that people look for. People love Tumbler wraps, right? So you got to go into that niche. However, you have to sub niche. That's how you make the cash. Now, let's look at another one, right? That is actually, funny enough, the least amount of the three, right? These are the top three that are making the cash right now in the Tumbler wraps, the monthly revenues. Look at this one. In demand, 18 bought in the last 24 hours. It's the Highland Cow. A snowy Highland Cow with a Santa hat with the presents around it, with that nice tree in the background with the presents. Guys, how much is it making? This is the combination now. This is where we come to the art. This is artistic, man. You got Highland Cow with the snowy background. This is making 4,000. Actually, not as much as the gingerbread. $4,404. It's only 2-month-old listing. It's got a crazy conversion of 10%. 10.02. In fact, 672 sales. It's made 672 sales in last month. It's made over 1,000 in the last 2 months, man. It's got 74 reviews already, right? That's a mad one. That's a mad one. 37 reviews per month. This is what I'm trying to say. And what is it hitting on? Highland Cow, tick. Christmas, tick. Christmas trees, tick. Santa hat, tick. Right? Highland Cow. This is what I'm trying to say. Boom. Right? Combining the Highland Cow, which is a popular niche that people do like, with Christmas, just went into skyrocket. Right? Skyrocket. So you got to think, what else can I combine? Now, here's a top selling Tumbler wrap right now. And again, it's the Highland Cow. But what's the flavor with this one, guys? How much is it making, first of all? It's in demand. 46 people bought it in the last 24 hours, making $8,618 a month. Now, it's got a 70% sale, so you got to take that into account. That's its estimated monthly revenue. 1,316 monthly sales. What is that? That's a monster. I call that a beast. 8.89 conversion rate, right? It's got 87 reviews. Q4 can really catapult you. I'm telling you now. Look at that. It's a bestseller. Boom. Let me just see something. Now, I'll tell you what's making it work. I'll tell you what. There's a few bits to it. There's a few elements to this, right? There are a few elements. The pink Christmas is something actually that people do search for, right? People don't realize that it's not just Christmas. When you type in pink Christmas, it's actually a searched for term. And it's actually a very popular thing, pink Christmas, right? Sorry, let me just do PNG so that I can get the digital downloads, man. Right? Pink Christmas, right? So look at this. When I type in pink Christmas, and there's in 62,000 search results, right? Like when I type in pink Christmas, there's 62,000 searches. Look at where this Tumbler wrap is ranking. Look at where it's ranking, right at the top. Can you see what I'm trying to say? So when it's got the search term pink Christmas in the title, right? It has it in the title, pink Christmas, right? But on a search of 62,000 exists. It's the top one. This is sorted by relevancy. So in terms of relevancy, this has ranked the highest in terms of how relevant it is for the term pink Christmas. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Guys, remember, put down below what niche you want me to look at, and I will look at it if enough people ask for it, right? But look at this Tumbler wrap, this pink Christmas. Now, on the title, it's put pink Christmas at the first keyword. Now, remember that first line is the vital line, is the important line to write your keywords. Yes, you got another, couple of lines to write in all these other keywords, but your top ranking keywords, or the ones that you want, should be on the top line, right? So actually, this one's worked perfectly well for pink Christmas. Look at that, right? Now, this is why it's making those sales, because on a 62,000 results search, it ranks right at the top. So just to show you, like if I type, I've gone to EVERBEE. Remember, free access down there. Baby Highland Cow. Look at this. I've typed in just baby Highland Cow. So again, this is going to help it because it's got a keyword score 30, which is, it's okay, not the biggest, but look, it's still going to help it, that search volume. 587 people actually type in baby Highland Cow. So in essence, in terms of relevancy, it's also going to get picked up because it's a baby Highland Cow, right? So there's a lot of elements to this. It's a baby Highland Cow. It's in a pink Christmas style, which people look, and its relevancy is there. It's right at the top of that, which is getting it some crazy sales. And these are the elements that you do, guys. You mix in the time of year, which is in this case Christmas, with something, a niche that is popular or people like, which is a Highland cow, and then sub-niche it further into something called a baby Highland cow, and then add the elements and the ingredients of that pink Christmas style. Guys, this is how you get the gold. It's about combining for the right time, for the right design, in the right format, right? And that's how you get the gold. On top of that, you got a 20-ounce skinny tumbler, which is probably the most popular type of tumbler wrap, the 20-ounce skinny. There you go, right? And that's where the gold comes. And that's how you do it, guys. That's how you get the ingredients so you can get those sales, guys, and get it quickly. Like I said, 2-month-old listings, getting the cash real quick, nearly 8K a month. And this is what you need to do, guys. You need to find what your combinations are, what you're going to mix it with, see what's trending, see what people are searching for, and then create a design around it. Guys, that is it. Those top 3 tumblers that are selling right now on Etsy. Check it out, mate. And remember, I shall see you. If you love digital products, you love creating, researching, and listing and all of that mad stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Don't forget, tell me about what niche you want me to do it. And if enough people say, I shall do a video on it. Take care.